We have just created a database, so now we'll learn to create a table. So this is our first task after creating a database. Okay, to create a table, to create the table, you can expand the tables menu. You will see there is no existing table, no existing user defined table. There is no existing table in here. To create a new table, right click on tables, click on table. Okay, new window will appear. Okay, let's specify our column names. We want to store 3 columns, right? ID, identity. I want this column to be of integer type, and no, it should not allow null value, right? Okay, the second column is name of person. For example, I want to store, let's say, identity, the row identity, the name of the person, and the address. Okay, name will be of variable character varchar, and it will store the data of up to 10 characters. It's up to you how much data you want to store, but it may go up to, I think, 8,000 characters limit. No, it should not also allow null. Address, variable character 50, the default length. Yes, it can have null values in it. So let's save this table. Okay, I'm clicking the floppy button, right? Save button. It's asking me the name of table. Let's say uh, staff, our staff table, in which we are going to store name, address, and phone numbers of our staff. Oh, but we have forgot to create a column phone number. We'll create this column in next shot. Okay, so let's click OK. The table has been created and saved. You can close this window, but it's not appeared here. For that, right click and refresh. You can see the table is here. Now you can expand this table and see the columns, right? The 3 columns that we specified at the time of creation are here, the data type and the property of whether it can allow null or not. Okay, to insert the data, we can insert the data by 2 ways, either from GUI, the graphical user interface, or through the query. So let's first explore everything from GUI. We are not going to write any query at this stage. So right click on this table, right click on this table, click on edit top 200 rows. Okay, here we go. So now we have 3 tables. We have a spreadsheet like view is open to insert the data as the same view that you get in Excel or any other spreadsheet. Okay, let's enter the identity 1, the name of person Mr. ABC. He lives in house. Okay, to save, just come on to the next row, either click or press the tab button from your keyboard. Okay, now let's enter the second column. Okay, Mr. DEFGHIJKLMNOPQ, and he lives in city. Okay, I wanted to come on next row, but it has prompted me an error. Why? String or binary data would be truncated. The reason, what should I do now? Correct the error and retry or press escape to cancel the changes. Okay, so we had specified the length for this column 10, right? We had limited this column for 10 characters. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, that's it. We can enter the name up to J. Now I'm coming on the next row. It's saved. Okay, what should I do now? Should I save it by clicking somewhere? No, I don't need to save it. This data is already saved. If I just close this window by clicking this close button, data will not go up anywhere, right? If you open this view again, edit top 200 rows, your data will remain there. Okay, you don't need to save this data explicitly. It has saved in your disk, right? Okay, if you disconnect and or either close this window or connect back to this instance, let's connect. I just want to show you that your data is saved. Let's come to the database. Okay, let's come to our tables and open the table in top 200 rows option. Okay, the data is there. The another way to retrieve the data, to get your data, is select top 1000 rows option, right? In here you cannot modify your records, right? You will just get the data. Okay, if you try double clicking the cell to bring in edit mode, you will not be able to edit it. But yes, if you want to edit, you can go into the same option from where we inserted the records. You can go change the values, right? As you will move to the next row, your data will be saved. um, Close it, come back again, your data will remain there. Okay, that's it for this section. uh, in this section we have learned how to create a new table and how to insert records. Okay, so next section we will learn how to modify this table.